Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Luxembourg. The link and coupon will be in the description. Okay, let's go and open description and click on link voyafly.com eSIM and open this website and click on this and write Luxembourg. Alright, click on this and scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed data, and choose speed plan, light, plus or premium, and select days. I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. Alright, and open new page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. This service number 1 for eSIM. Okay, nice. And click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on buy now. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.